Good morning, Honorable Prime Minister, sir. I am Chief Inspector of Police Mohammad Nazim from Maldives Police Service. It is a matter of great pride and privilege to have an opportunity to speak about my experiences in the memorable journey in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy with 2019 batch of Indian Police Service. During the last 2 years of our training, our professionalism, fitness and competence as a police officer have improved tremendously. Officers from Maldives has been undergoing training in this academy since 1998. Our current Chief of Police, Mohammad Hamid, along with the most senior leaderships, are also proud alumni of this prestigious academy. Sir, the 2 years of training has enhanced our personality not only as a uniformed police officer, but also has made us better human beings. The bonhomie with Indian batchmates and other foreign batchmates is incredible, and we have enjoyed every single moment in this academy. We have made many friends with Indian officers, and we plan to remain in touch with them. We have really enjoyed the time spent here. I take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Indian government for providing us with this valuable opportunity. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Najim, what do you find common between India and Maldives?
Sir, culture is and food is very similar to us, sir.
We have officers from Nepal, Bhutan and Mauritius. Did this help you gain some insight about those nations too?
Yes, sir, it really helps. We have interacted with all our fellow foreign officers, and we have good knowledge about their policy and the system, sir.
Okay, Najim, wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
मुझे मालदीव के प्रकृति प्रेमी लोगों से मिलकर बहुत आनंद आता है। मालदीव भारत का पड़ोसी ही नहीं, बल्कि बहुत अच्छा मित्र भी है। भारत मालदीव में पुलिस एकेडमी बनाने में भी सहयोग कर रहा है, और अब तो मालदीव क्रिकेट के लिए भी अपने आप को तैयार कर रहा है। मालदीव और भारत के सामाजिक और व्यापारिक रिश्ते भी हैं। मुझे विश्वास है कि भारत में आपकी ट्रेनिंग मालदीव की पुलिसिंग को मजबूत करेगी और भारत मालदीव रिश्तों को भी समृद्ध बनाने में बहुत मदद करेगी। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।